Welcome to Cooking with Granny and Mama Soul Kitchen. Today we have our blue cheese cheesy spinach omelet, everybody. Yes, we are here to share this with you. All right, you guys. So we have already a few of our created omelets on our YouTube channel. And, you know, you had some with that, what was that sausage? Andouille. Yes, that kind of sausage. We had that kind of sausage omelet as well. And we also had a nice chorizo one. Yes, we sure did. And spinach. And we also had a vegetarian one. You know, we have a lot of omelets. But this one right here is just simply delicious. We have our fresh blue cheese up in here. And it adds an extra kick and a power that makes you want to slap somebody. Grandmother. Well, I'm just saying, it just adds a little more flavor to your omelets. Make sure you guys follow us on our YouTube channel for a lot more. And see you soon.